Hi, it's a beautiful day out. Spring is here, the sun is shining, the air's warming up a little bit, and you can breathe deeply. It's also a good idea to check the filters on your furnace and probably change them for spring. Have you ever noticed the beam of sunlight coming through the window? And then you see the particles? Have you ever noticed the beam of sunlight shining through the window and you notice the particles floating in the air? When I was a kid, I used to hold my breath. I didn't want to breathe that. Little did I know that it wasn't just in the beam of sunlight, it was everywhere. A lot of people think that that small 1-inch filter on their furnace is cleaning the air. A lot of people think that that 1-inch filter on their furnace is cleaning the air. It's actually there to protect your furnace. It just keeps the leaves out of the blower. So it doesn't do anything to help reduce the dust particles that land on all the surfaces in your house. If you want to do that, if you want to clean the air up more, both for not having to clean your house so often and also for breathing air without dirt in it, you'll probably want to look at a more advanced type of air filtration system. You can have them put right on your furnace. And if you go through the hardware stores or the lumber stores, you'll see where they sell filters. And you'll see all different sizes. Some of them have ratings of what they call MERV system, and they'll be like a MERV 8, or you can go all the way up to a MERV 16. In most lumber stores and hardware stores, you're going to have a hard time finding the high density filters in the large cabinets. Online you can find them. Sometimes the really tight weaved filters are a MERV 16. You can even buy those with charcoal, which will take odors out of the air. So whatever you decide to do, have a look at your furnace, see what you've got. If you need to talk to an HVAC company, they can take out the 1-inch system and put in the 5-inch cabinets, or maybe even put a purification system in for you. The choice is yours. There's lots of stuff available. But if you upgrade your system, you'll definitely make breathing air in your home easier, healthier, and you won't have to dust so often. So, have a great day. Get outside, enjoy the fresh air, but fix your indoor air quality at the same time. Thank you.